So here's what we're going to be replacing today. Here's our parts. Something that's overlooked is these screws here. They hold your rotor onto the wheel hub. A lot of times they get damaged coming out, whether it's stripped off here at the head of it, or snap off, or whatever might happen. But for less than $1 a piece, get 4 of these. Just makes the job that much easier. One thing that not most people will do are these, which are the backing plates. These are actually going to be upgraded. They are a Macan backing plate. I'm going to have the part number listed here in the description if anybody wants it. But from what I understand, the A4s don't have enough brake cooling when taken out on a racetrack. So I'm going to install these. It's not going to hurt anything. Maybe get a little bit better cooling, and if I decide to take it out on track, at least that'll be another bit of peace of mind that I don't have to think about. So with that being said, it's time to move on to the next step. I've seen these before, had no idea what they were. Surprisingly, not long ago, found out that they removed the center wheels, center caps. So here we go. We're going to go in here, squeeze back the piston a little bit so that way the caliper will come off. It won't get it 100%, but it will get it most of the way there. It's a 15 wrench. If this starts spinning while you're trying to get this bolt out, just hold it with a 15 wrench. So before we remove the front brake caliper, we'll have to go in here and disconnect this wear sensor. Then we're going to come around here and this part of the sensor kind of leans back, twists counterclockwise, and then slides down to pop that out. It was kind of difficult one-handed, but basically just take this, roll it up, gives you that slack that you need. Also, before you take the caliper off and you're stuck one-handed trying to juggle the caliper and everything, have this wire coat hanger. Have one of these available. We'll be able to string this up. Usually I'll connect it to one of the upper control arms or a spring, but you don't want to support the, you don't want to let it hang on the brake hoses. That's just going to damage them and cause issues down the road. So this next part, you will not have to do on a normal brake job. It's gonna take place of this whole big backing plate and replace it with this smaller one to help get some air on the rotor. Again, this is track use or anybody that's gonna get their brakes really hot. All right, so I just learned something. This big bump out on this Audi, first set of brake pads I've seen with this. Normally you would put the brake pad onto the caliper bracket and then slide the other side in. This one, it's actually way easier to put that dot in that hole, and then everything just falls right down into place. I've done a lot of brakes. That's the first one I've seen of this, so just wanted to bring that to your attention. Hopefully that makes your job slightly easier. Hope this video helps out. If it did, please like, subscribe. I'm going to be doing more videos like this on this car and other cars, so stay tuned, and until then, see you around.